Each Moana grey matte ceramic floor tile replicates the look of well-worn wooden floorboards without the irksome maintenance and upkeep. Timber's dimensional beauty is replicated in the form and swirl of weathered wood grain patterns, in shades of beach-washed greys and light ash browns. Laid-back contemporary and comfortable decor work well on this durable flooring. It's easy to clean and a natural choice for bathrooms, bedrooms, living areas and the kitchen. There are 13 A-grade tiles packed in a box, and each square measures at 430 by 430 millimeters. Add the Moana Grey matte ceramic floor tile to your cart today, available at CTM.